Yes, students, today's topic is malware. Malware is just like a kind of virus like Trojan horse, spam, viruses. So there are different malwares we will discuss. In this series, first of all, there is a Trojan horse. What is Trojan horse? Do you know? Think first of all if you know this. Okay, let me explain this. Trojan horse is a malware which is very harmful to the system. It seems very good and safe, very attractive in the beginning, but after when you will install it, then it creates a backdoor from where hackers can steal, hackers can destroy your data. For example, when you are downloading when you are downloading any game or any software from the internet, trial game or trial software, that seems good. You feel good that you found the game, you feel good that you found that particular software, but what happens, a small executable file is also attached with that game or software that you don't know. That is a Trojan horse. Basically, that is a Trojan horse. It may be attached to any game or any software or anything over the internet. When you install that game or software, that creates a backdoor in the system through which a hacker can access the system. Even hacker can monitor your all activities, whatever you are performing in the system, all activities hacker can check. In 1990s, a Trojan horse named Sub7 was created, which was actually looks good, and but illegally that was accessing the host computer. Illegally that was accessing the host computer, that was installed through the browser like Internet Explorer or the Chrome, like Chrome. So this was all about Trojan horse malware. Students, next topic is spam. This is also a malware. uh, Maybe you have seen when you are checking your emails on Yahoo or Gmail, there is a below the inbox, there is a one folder also, that is spam folder. Basically, spam emails are the unwanted emails, electronic mails, which generally sent by the different companies for the promotion of their product, or for the commercial, you can say commercial mails, or for the advertisement purpose, any kind. But maximum time it has been seen that inside those mails there is some links given. Some links are given. When you will open that link, that will direct you to some other websites where they can ask you about your some confidential information, like about your credit card, debit card, your account numbers. So this was all about spam. These are the unwanted electronic mails, and these come in the spam folder in your email account. But also you can prevent the spam. Go to the settings of Chrome or Yahoo email account. There you can stop the unwanted emails from a particular company also. You can block them also, but this you have to do one by one. Like for a particular company you want to stop the emails, spam mails, then you can block that company. Yes, student, next is the phishing. Phishing refers to the act of stealing someone's personal information through fraud emails. Like in earlier, I have told you, spam mails can link you to some phishing web pages or the phishing websites. So there in the phishing website or on a phishing web page, their hackers are directing to you people to enter your account number or the credit card number or the debit card number, any your personal information they are asking about that. So these mails either entail personal information through embedded forms or contain links to the web page that may prompt you to provide this information. And in this way, hackers are stealing your personal information, your bank account detail or the passwords, anything, any your valuable data